It's 1 degree outside in Detroit. It's January 6th. In Chicago, it's -11. In Minneapolis, it's -13 degrees, and this is without the wind chill. In Los Angeles, it's -73 degrees. It's super cold outside here. We got Eric right here. And we got a pot of boiling water. We're going to do that thing that everyone's doing on YouTube where we throw boiling water into the air. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
We're going to make some snow happen, people. Here we go.
Yeah.
Eric, you ready?
You got this?
Yeah. All right, here we go. Hot water.